Ever wondered how to make those DIY creations really shine? Check out my game changer, the Shumba 550-watt bench polisher. When I first got it, the difference was night and day. My metal pieces went from dull to dazzling fast, thanks to its powerhouse specs and consistent RPM. Whether you're buffing metals, wood, or plastics, this machine keeps up without a hitch. Boost your workshop with specs like dual buffing wheels and tapered spindle adapters, all without breaking the bank. Dive into a world of flawless finishes. Get yours now from polishup.com.au, and trust me, your projects will never look better. Key features of the bench polisher: comes with left and right tapered spindle adapters, equipped with stitched calico polishing wheels for achieving a very high finish, high-powered for effective and efficient polishing. Specifications: rated voltage 240 volts 50 Hz, rated power 550 watt, motor speed 2,980 revolutions per minute. Elevate your polishing game with the Shumba Bench Polisher, where power, precision, and performance converge in one exceptional machine. Visit polishup.com.au for additional compounds, polishing wheels, accessories, or advice. Shumba, the Lion King of polishing machines.